How do you build unshakable trust? Actually, translate trust into this question. Will you be there? Will you be there for me? So let's expand on that a little bit in order to build unshakable trust. Will you be there for me when I'm tired? When I'm sick? When I'm depressed? When I'm happy and I want to celebrate and go out? When I want to play? When I want a day off? Will you be there for me? Now, the thing with unshakable trust is that none of us is perfect. We may not be able to be there for our partner every single time they need us. That's only human. That's only natural. Sometimes you may have a work commitment. So you've got to work at night rather than go out on a date. Or sometimes you may be so darn tired, even though it's your turn to do the dishes, that you just want to lie on a couch and take a nap. So, we're not always going to be there for our partner. But when we're not able to be there for our partner, one wonderful way of handling it is to say this: honey, I really wish I could do that for you. I really wish I had the energy to do the dishes because I know it's my night, but I just can't. I really know you'd love me to pick up the dry cleaning, but honey, I've got to work late after the dry cleaner closes. Honey, I would love to go out on a date with you. That would be such a blast, but I've got this big deadline that's tomorrow. I'm going to have to just work tonight. So you want to say, my intention is good. I wish I could do this for you, but life gets in the way, so I can't. And that's okay. See, that's part of building really, really solid trust, in that the intention is there. The intention is good. So next time, maybe you will be there for them in that particular situation, but this one is an exception and you can't. Now, unshakable trust, again, there's going to be times when your partner really can't turn towards you, can't respond to your need, and you have to accept that. Sometimes your partner is going to get angry at you when you're asking something of them. Well, okay, so they're angry. So does that mean you can't trust them? Well, not really. It just means they're having a day, right? They're having a negative day. They had bad sleep. They got into a fight with their boss or their colleague. Something is going on. And so they just can't handle one more need, even if it's yours. So, okay, so what do? Can we accept that our partners are human? Because what unshakable trust means is trusting in the humanity of your partner, in the fact that they're not perfect, that they do love you, that they want to be there for you, and they're also human with their own flaws, their own challenges, just like you have with them. So let's not work on really unshakable trust. Let's work on good enough trust. That's really what you need for a good relationship.